Have put the ball joint back on the A-frame. The manual said to drill these out to 21/64 to accept a 5/16 bolt. So I drilled them to 5/16 and I was able to get them to line up correctly. I didn't have to oversize them. These are grade 8 bolts. So that will make it easier to replace the ball joints in the future if necessary. Okay, I've got the upper control arm on the passenger side started on, and this is where cataloging your stuff becomes important. I have a bag here that says right upper A arm alignment shims rear. So I will take the shims that are in this bag, put them on the rear nut there, the rear bolt there. And then I have another bag that says right upper A arm alignment shim front. There's only one of them, but I know where it goes. I have two nuts that are taking an 11/16 socket that hold the upper control arm on. I'm going to put them on, and this is temporary because they'll have to come back off in order for me to put the spreader bar back on, because it's bolted into these two studs that hold the control arm on. But for now, my goal is to get it rolling again so that I can roll it off of the lift if necessary to do other work. Just snugging it up tight for now. I don't need to torque them. I'll torque them on whenever the final assembly's complete. So now that will get me a rolling chassis. The front suspension is on. Biggest difficulty naturally was compressing the spring a little bit. Didn't have a spring compressor. Fortunately, it didn't need to be compressed a lot. And what I did is I took a tie-down strap that had a ratcheting tightener on it, hooked it here over across the top, and hooked it down on this side and just tightened up on it, and that was enough. Everything has been torqued to spec. So to put wheels on it now, all I have to do is put the hub on, which is one spindle nut.